Is your external component the WebP Image Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Google links. Before we begin the walkthrough for WebP Image Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the WebP Image Library, the library for decoding and encoding Google's WebP image format. It provides the mathematical logic for lossy and lossless compression. It is essential for modern web browsers. If this DLL is missing, the system will be unable to render .web images, resulting in image format not supported, or blank thumbnails in File Explorer. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. WebP is required by certain games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy runtime components, while GPU driver updates handle hardware-specific dependencies. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including WebP Image Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like WebP Image Library DLL. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes WebP Image Library documentation. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching WebP Image Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.